to crystal quotes from Exile Universal School, Bazango Kubwa. Here we inspire students to harness the power of positivity in their daily lives and capture the essence of maintaining a positive mindset, reflect the optimism, hope, and strength that we strive to instill in our school community. Positivity is the spark that ignites the power of motivation. I am Peculiar Auruche from Exile Universal School. Thank you.
Your vibe attracts your tribe. Stay positive and you attract positivity. I am Michelle Medesi from Exile Universal School. Thank you.
With a positive mindset, every day is a fresh start. My name is Kubwa. Okay. A positive mindset can turn struggles into strength. My name is Desire Oluwakayode. Positivity is not about ignoring the negative, but it's about finding the good in every situation. My name is Jeffrey Obaniwa. A positive attitude is like a magnet for happiness and success. My name is Victor Naidi. Positivity is the path to be both with and around you. My name is Andrew David. Positivity don't mean that you are always happy, it means that you are always hopeful. My name is Jess Nelson.